Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to divide any number by 97. In the previous video we have learned how to divide a number by 98. So today we will learn how to divide a number by 97. So let us start. So first number, I take a 3-digit number 253 divided by 97. So 2, 5, 3, write them like this, and the last 2 digits you reserve for remainder part. Here 97 and the same Nicholas Sutra we are using here. 9 minus 9, 0. And last number 10 minus 7, 3. So this is 97 is nearer to 100 base 100. So it is 3 less than 100. So this 3 we are using as a multiplier here. So you know the procedure, same procedure as we have used for 98. This first number 2 we write as it is in the bottom here. Now 2 3s are 6. So this 6 don't write as single digit, write as 0, 6. Now 3 plus 6 is 9 and this 5 plus 0 is 5, 59. So this 2 is our quotient and this 59 is our remainder. Our problem is finished. It is so simple. Now let us take one more example. Five one 7 6 divided by 97. So here we are taking 4-digit number. So I write the number here 5176. So this last 2 digits reserved for remainder part. Now here I draw one line. I write 97 here. Under 97 here 0 3. This is a multiplier. Now see, this first number we will take as it is 5. Now 3 5s are 15 we will get. So 1 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 3s are 6. Again we are getting single digit. Therefore whenever you get single digit, don't write single digit under the next number here. Write it as 0 6. So 3 2s are 6. So under the last number we got the number here. So our calculation part is finished. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 carry 1. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 5 13. So we get 132 here. Now one number is extra here. 132 cannot be the remainder. So this one number we will add this side. So this will become 53. This is quotient part. Quotient is 53. Now here 32 is remaining, but this is not our final remainder. So 32 plus what number we have added this side? We have added 1 here. So this 1 we will take into this divisor 3. So we will get 53 and here 32 plus 1 3 is 3. 32 plus 3 is 35. So this is our quotient and this is our remainder part. I hope you are following. So let us see one more example. 84069 divided by 97. Here 84069 and these last 2 digits are separated for remainder part. Here 97 I have written here. Under 97 03 our multiplier. Now this first 8 we will take as it is down. Here 8 you will get 3 8s are 24. So you will get 24 here. Here 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 6 are 18. 1 8. Here 4 plus 1 is 5. 5. 3 5s are 15. 1 5. Now under the last digit we got the number. Our calculation part is finished. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So we get 4 here, carry 1. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So we get 164. 164 cannot be our answer, our remainder part. So this one we will add this side. So here this side we will get 866. This is our quotient. And 64 is remaining here, but 64 is not our final remainder. Our final remainder will be 64 plus, we are adding 1 this side. So therefore this 1 into, what is our multiplier here? 3. So this 1 into 3 we have to do. So 1 into 3 is 3. So 64 plus 3. So that will become 866, 67. So our remainder is 67. Quotient is 866. See, our remainder part is, our quotient is 866 and remainder is 67. This is quotient and that is remainder. It is so simple. Now, let us do one more example. 589423 divided by 97. We are taking a 6-digit number. Now see how fast we can finish this division. So, I have written the number 589423. This 2 3's demarked for remainder part here, this last part. And here 97, 197, 0, 3. This 3 is our multiplier. So this first number we will take down in the quotient part. This 5 as it is. Now 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So we get 1, 5 here. Next column you add. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 3 9s are 27. So we get 27 here. Now add these numbers. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So don't worry, we are getting double digit here. Doesn't matter. We will add the digit to the next number. 16 is here. So 3 into 16. 3 16s are 48. So 4, 8, 48. Now add this column. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. So we are getting 15 here. Again double digit we are getting. Doesn't matter. Now here 3 into 15. 3 into 15 is 45. So we write 4 here and 45 here under the next digit. Now because we got a digit under the last digit, our calculation part is finished. Just we have to add the numbers and tell the answer now. Now 3 plus 5 is 8 and 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So we are getting 148 this side. But 148 is not our remainder. This one we will add to the left hand side number here. And this one we will add to the left hand side number here. And this one we will add to the left hand side number here. So whenever we are getting double digits here or triple digit in the remaining part, add the number to the left hand side. Now let us see what we will get here. So here 59 is the number this side, plus 1 is here. So you will get 60, 60. This 1 plus 6 will become 7. This 1 plus 5 will become 6. Our quotient part is over. And here 48 is remaining in the remaining part. But 48 is not our remainder. You know what to do. Plus, because we are adding 1 this side, with this one we have to multiply this multiplier and add it to 48. So we will get 1 into 3. So what we will get? 6076. And here 48, 1 3 is a 3. So 48 plus 3 is 51. So 51 is our remainder. And this 6076 is our quotient. I hope you are following the steps. It is very easy. So let us see one more example. We are taking an 8-digit number here. 92786341 divided by 97. Now let us see how fast we can do this. So the first number, I have written the number here. These last 2 digits are marked for remainder part. So first this 9 I will take down as it is. First number 9. Now 3 9s are 27. So we get 27 here. 2 plus 2, 4. So here 3 4s are 12. So we get 1, 2. Here 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. We are getting double digit, don't worry. 15. So 3 into 15. 3 15s are 45. 4, 5 here. Now add the next column. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Again we are getting double digit, don't worry. 40. 3 into 40. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 4. So 3 4s are 12, 2, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 4. 42 we will get. 42. Now next number, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. Again we are getting double digit here, don't worry. Again, 3 into 15, 45. So we get 4, 5. 3 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. We are getting single digit here, 9. 3 9s are 27. So we get 2 here, 7 here. Now see, 1 plus 7, 8, and 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 180 we are getting in the remaining part, but that is not our final remainder. Now let us write the quotient part first. So here 15 is a double digit, 14 is a double digit, 15 is a double digit here. So whenever you have a double digit, the left hand side digit add to the left hand side number. So this one is added to this 4, this one is added to this 5, and this one is added to this 4. Now see what we will get. We get this 9 as it is. Here 1 plus 4 is 5. Here 1 plus 5 is 6. Again, here 1 plus 4 is 5. Here, this one we have to add here. So here we will get 1 plus 4 is 5. This 5 is remaining as it is. This 1 plus 1 is 60. Here 59 plus 1. Last part, 5 for 59 is here. This 1 is added this side, it will become 60. And remaining part 18 we are adding here. But 18 is not our final remainder. To this 18, we have to add. What did we add here on the left hand side to the quotient part? We added 1. So here 1 into this multiplier 3. 1 into 3 is 3. So 18 plus 3, it will become 21. So our answer will be 95660. This is our quotient, and 18 plus 3 here. 18 plus 3, 1 3s are 3, 18 plus 3 is 21. So this 21 is our remainder. So this is how we get answers very fast by this Nikilam division method. We can get the answer within 5 to 10 seconds. I hope you followed the procedure. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like my videos, and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.